വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക്. നമ്മളിന്ന് നോക്കാൻ വേണ്ട അനലോജിയാണ്. ജനറൽ ഇൻ്റലിജൻസ് ആൻഡ് റീസണിങ്ങിൽ വരുന്നതാണ്. SSP RRB എക്സാമുകളിൽ ചോദിക്കുന്ന ഒരു പാർട്ടാണ്. അനലോഗീസ് കുറച്ച് പാർട്ടായിട്ട് മാറ്റിയിരിക്കണം, ടൈപ്സ് ആയിട്ട്. വേർഡ് അനലോഗിയാണ് ഫസ്റ്റ് നോക്കാൻ വേണ്ടത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ദ ക്ലൗഡ് ഈസ് ടു സ്കൈ ആസ് ഫിഷ് ഈസ് ടു ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, cat is to kitten as dog is to option A, circle is to round as square is to option E, pen is to write as knife is to option A, doctor is to hospital as teacher is to, musician is to instrument as painter is to, bird is to nest as spider is to web, doctor is to stethoscope as carpenter is to hammer option A, boat is to water as car is to option A, road, author is to book as sculpture is to marble option C, bee is to hive as ant is to bee option B, hill, clock is to time as thermometer is to option A, temperature, chef is to kitchen as artist is to studio option A, teacher is to educate as doctor is to treat option C, pen is to write as brush is to paint option A, bird is to feather as snake is to scales option C, basketball is to court as soccer is to field option B, hammer is to nail as needle is to thread option A, mountain is to peak as ocean is to island option A, author is to book as composer is to symphony option B. Letter analogy. First question, letter analogy. A is to B as C is to option D. Option B, A is to Z as B is to Y. Option B is the correct answer. G is to L as M is to R. Option A. Number analogy ആണ്. Number analogy. First question. 3 is to 9 as 5 is to 15. Option A is the correct answer. 8 is to 64 as 6 is to 36. Option A. 12 is to 6 as 24 is to 8. Option C. 25 is to 5 as 49 is to 7. Then mixed analogy. First question, 5 is to E as 12 is to L. Option C. 4 is to D as 20 is to T. Option A. 50 is to O as 23 is to X. Option B. Figure analogy. The last type. Some relationship between them. First question. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe more videos, like